a day after an armed man was arrested near Brett Kavanaugh's home and charged with plotting to kill the Supreme Court justice. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi said the U.S. House of Representatives will consider legislation next week to boost security for members of the High Court.
Well, the justices are protected, as you all know. We were awaiting language from the Senate so that we could be completely up to date as to what they wanted to do. That's in the works. We had hoped that we could do it today, but we certainly will do it at the beginning of next week.
According to an affidavit signed by an FBI agent, 26-year-old Nicholas Roski was carrying a handgun he had purchased to kill Kavanaugh, as well as ammunition, a crowbar, pepper spray, and other items. Authorities say he was upset over expected rulings on abortion access and gun rights. In May, senators unanimously passed legislation to enhance security for justices and passed it along to the House after the publication of a leaked draft opinion, indicating the court was poised to overturn its landmark 1973 Roe v. Wade ruling that legalized abortion nationwide. As protests erupted around the country, the U.S. Justice Department began providing increased security at the justices' homes, with the U.S. Marshals Service providing manpower around the clock.
So this kind of behavior is behavior that we will not tolerate.
On Wednesday, U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland vowed to crack down on any attempts at violence or intimidation.
Threats of violence and actual violence against the justices, of course, strike at the heart of our democracy, and we will do everything we can to prevent them and to hold people who do them accountable.
Bracing for protests, a non-scalable fence was erected around the Supreme Court building. A decision on Roe is expected to come before the end of June.